Welcome back, everybody. We're going to take another look at the Zurich ZR4s OBD2 code reader. And today it's in a 2017 Ford Escape. The Zurich video is probably my most watched by far of all the videos. So today I haven't started it, but I do have a check engine light on in this one. So let's start it real fast. And you'll be able to see I do have it. Now the flicker is just from the shutter speed. Even though it's digital, it's still called shutter speed. It has nothing to do with the actual vehicle. It's the frame rate here. So let me get this all set up here again. I'm pretty certain I know what that is, but we'll go ahead and get this set up so I can get a good shot of the scan, and we'll be right back. I'm a Ford, I'm a Ford, I'm a Ford. I'll get the key out. All right. OBD. Discard that. Don't throw it away. So these only match up one direction. Plug it in. And away we go. Let me sit back down so I can cycle the key. It is thinking. I don't think it's going to work because I don't have the key in, but we're going to find out here in a second.
North Broadway.
Alright, so let's see what we got here. 14050. Was that 14? Uh-oh. Man, that is not focusing at all for you, is it? That is a 0456. Evaporative emission system leak detected, very small leak. 0456, same thing, it says pending. This one's a 1450, unable to bleed up the fuel tank. 0456 permanent, same thing. And a 1450 permanent, same thing. Alright, so here we go. We're going to clear this. It's you can't read that, of course, but it says erasing clears all DTCs, free frame data, and resets IM monitor. Shut the engine off and place it to on. Are you sure? Yes, I am. It is erasing. Erase was successful. It's reconnecting. Let's see what it does. And we have one of, that was the, oops. It was the same one, 0456, the permanent leak detected, and the 1450, unable to bleed up the tank. So we'll look these things up. This video is not going to go over how to fix those, just to review the code reader. So we'll look those up and we'll get things moving. But I just wanted to do a quick in-use video here of this. Got a couple distractions between where I started and now, but we finally got through it. If there's any other questions or if anyone has anything to say, they'd like to comment, please leave a comment. And thanks for watching. Bye-bye, everyone.